All right, so I just got this crazy care package in, and this is from Nike. Big shout out to the people over at Nike, whoever sent this over. You rock, man. And orange is my favorite color. And this, it literally says on it what it is. But I'm going to show you guys this. This is crazy. Like, look at these locks. Like, this is so fire. So he opens it up. And, I mean, this is like just a crazy box. But here it is. It says some information up there. And the shoes down here. There's some Air Force Ones, man. And these are the Realtree Camo pair. And I love this colorway. They have 3 different ones over on Nike. I'll link them in my bio if you guys are interested. Go over to Nike and check them out. But this is the best colorway, in my opinion, out of the 3 because you do have a black outsole, which I think looks really good. Like, it looks crazy. And then it's like kind of like a licorice black. Like, it's perfect looking. And then you have this midsole. It's almost like a peach gum, but it looks really nice. And then you have the air in the back with the line in black. But the upper is the fun part about this. So this is the Realtree Nike Air Force 107. And you could see the Realtree camo print all over. And somebody that lives in Oregon, like, I see lots of trees and stuff, and it looks really cool. I just love the overall delivery, and especially in this pair of the camo. The laces also look really nice as well. It's kind of like a burnt orangish sort of a black color to it. And then you do have the Realtree camo on the insoles, and then on the tongue, it's camouflaged pretty much, and it says Nike Air, Air Force One. Nike Air on the heel as well. But I think that this colorway looks fantastic. It looks really solid, and very thankful that they sent these over. Inside the box, it says Nike Air Force 107 Realtree City Classics with an outdoor sole. The Air Force 1 Realtree brings the textures of the wild into the rhythm of the city. Bill Jordan's hyper-realistic camo, born in 1986 from the bark of an oak tree in his parents' yard, finds new life on a silhouette that has defined the street style for decades. Black canvas base creates contrast for the earthy overlays, blending greens, browns, and shadowy tones across the swoosh, eye stays, tongue tag, and even the outsole. The Bronze Star eyelets add a whisper of utility, tying the look back to the outdoor origins. This pair arrives inside a weatherproof hard case built to protect the shoe like the gear meant for the field. It turns the unboxing into a moment, a crossover between rugged, functional, and cultural icon. Nature's palette, city energy, in a case ready for any forecast. The case is so fire, man. The case definitely makes these things insanely special. Like, this is like one of the coolest things ever. Like, I want to repurpose this case for something. I don't know what. What should I use this for? Because this is crazy. Anyways, this is a heck of a present right before Christmas time. Again, if you guys are interested in getting a pair of the Realtrees, link in the bio. Thank you, Nike, for sending this over. Happy holidays, everybody out there. And follow for more content. Appreciate y'all for stopping in. All right, have a good one.